Hello, everyone, and good evening to you all. I hope you guys had a blessed day today. This is Financial Freedom with Velvet. I want to welcome you guys to my YouTube channel. What I want you guys to do is like this video, subscribe, share it, hit the notification bell so you guys can be notified whenever I post a video, and you guys will get a notification that I posted one and you'll be able to watch my videos, okay? I hope you guys were able to tune into my 8-part series for my daily routine for survey sites that pay. If not, I have 8 videos that I made for my daily routine. On all 8, I have a daily routine I do for all my survey sites. And I want you guys to check those videos out because they will help you. And the first video on there is Prizerebel, of course. So that's what we're going to get into today. I want to talk to you guys about a few things on this site that I wasn't able to cover in that video. So let's get into it. We're going to start off with the frequently asked question, and I'm just going to choose random questions and I'm going to give you guys the answers, okay? So, let's see. Let's click on how does this work? Prizerebel is a free membership reward site. We have partnered with many market research companies who are looking for your opinion on new products or would like you to be a member of their website. In return for your time and participation, you will earn points which you can redeem for brand name gift cards, online game codes, Amazon.com items, and PayPal cash. Okay. If you guys want to, you can watch this video. It's called Introduction to Prizerebel. I'm not going to watch the video because I'm on a limited time with my recording, so I will not be able to do that for you. So let's click on the back button here. And let's go to the next one. How much will this cost me? Nothing. Membership and uses of Prizerebel.com is absolutely free. So you guys don't have to pay anything unless you guys do trial offers or paid offers, which you pay for them to send you something and you get points for it. That's the only time you have to pay for something. And that's completely optional. You do not have to pull out your credit card unless you want to. Where do I get help? If you have checked out the Q&A, question and answers, and if we have not answered your question, you can contact us using the Get Help form. Okay. What if I'm not from the US, UK, Canada, or Australia? So for those of you that are not in these countries, you can still use Prizerebel to receive great rewards. We don't have surveys for all countries, but you can earn points from completing offer walls, tasks, daily points, and gaining referrals. So there's your answer. If you're not from the US, UK, Canada, or Australia, you can still use Prizerebel, but they don't have surveys for all countries, but you can earn from completing different other things on Prizerebel, okay? Okay. Where can I change my account info? To update any account information such as email, password, notifications, or address, please visit your My Account page. Will I be spammed if I provide my information? Absolutely not. We hate spam just as much as you do. Your information is only used for reward shipment and to send you important information regarding your account. If you do submit your email address for a specific survey, they will also have a disclaimer letting you know how your information will be used and if you would like to opt in for a follow-up survey. How do I provide my information for shipping rewards / PayPal? You can update your shipping address and PayPal email in your My Account page. Excuse me. Help, I'm having trouble resetting my password. If you're having trouble resetting your password, we can help you. First, make sure you visit our Forgot Password page to reset your password. In some cases, the email may have been sent to your junk / spam inbox, so make sure to check for a message from us after 5 to 10 minutes after requesting. You may also not receive a reset password if if the email you have entered is not tied to an account on Prizerebel.com. If you have still not received a password reset email, please reach out to our support team by letting them know the login email address associated with your account. So make sure you guys sign up with an email, a real valid email, okay? Because the email has to match your PayPal account if you're going to choose PayPal. That's basically that, okay? Let's see what else. Let's do this one. What are levels? Account levels are statuses that you reach as you complete certain goals. With each level, you will unlock more benefits. Account level can be reached by earning the required number of points for each level. Once you reach gold level or above, your code rewards claims will be automatically processed if the item is in stock. You can find your level on the top bar next to your points total. Clicking on your current level will tell you how much points you need to get to the next level. Need to get to the next level, basically. Okay? So, I'm diamond level, okay? There was someone who asked me how many points you need to get to the next level. This is the answer to that. You need to make sure that you're consistently working this site, okay? When you guys start with Prizerebel, put as much time into it as you can. What is a special bonus percent? Special bonus percent is a points bonus that is based off your monthly points earnings from offers, surveys, offer walls, tasks, videos, daily points, and referral earnings. It is applied at the end of the month. For example, if you have earned 300 points from the activity listed above your special bonus percent is 3%. You will receive a 9-point bonus at the end of each of the month. Wow. That's cool. Okay. So next question. What is the prize discount percent? The price discount percent indicates the discount that you will receive on all reward claims, excluding PayPal and direct deposit. Now, if you guys believe, if you're a member of Prizerebel and you guys want more, answers to your questions, I highly recommend you go on here and find out the answers. But let me get into the coupons because I want to show you guys how to use that. Okay, so Prizerebel, when you first come on your dashboard, I want you guys to do this. Scroll down and see this coupons.com here. You're going to click on this. Click on this. And this is 25 points a day. You can only do this once a day. Once a day only, and it credits in 30 minutes. It's a 30-minute crediting waiting period. So 30 minutes and you'll get your 25 points. You guys, do this every day. If it's available, do it every day. Trust me. This will help you rack up your points as well. So click on that one. And right here, it says print coupons. I'll show you what to do when you get to 25. This has to go to 25. Right now, it's at 1. So when it says open window, you don't want to click on that. Click on the ones that you don't, like this one, don't click on that one because it's going to open it in a new window. You want the ones that don't say that. So you click on that one. Click on that one. Click on that. Click on that one. All the way up until it's 25 coupons. Keep clicking. I'm going to show you guys what to do, so just bear with me. Because I want to kind of get through this. This is something you can do in your spare time as well. Okay. So we're at 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So, you're going to come up here, click on print coupons. You're not actually going to print these, so just watch what I'm going to do so you guys can, keep up with me. Keep up with me here. Okay. You're not going to print this. You're just going to enter your phone number. So you're going to enter your phone number, and then you're going to do what it says in the video. That's all the time we have.